Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use lookup function in your Google Sheets. So I have three different sets of dump here, so we're going to explore each one of it. So first of all, I'm going to write down the formula for this range, the first range. So what lookup function is going to do is, so it's going to search whatever name I'm giving here in this list, and it gives the it returns to the value from this range. So let's write because these are fruits here in the my first column, so I'm going to write mango, comma, I'm going to give the search range and then the result range. So if you close the parenthesis, so it gives you the detail of mango. But what if you have the different range of fruits for which you want to get the details from the huge dump? So now let's apply the formula for unsorted version. Select lookup, and then I'm going to select the fruit name, which is here, and then I'm going to select the search range and the result range. If I close the parenthesis, so it gives me the incorrect data. As you can see here, for cherry it is showing me as 10 quantity, but when it comes to here it's actually 20. So it gives me the incorrect details when you apply formula on unsorted dump. So I recommend you to first sort your data. Like here I sorted my data in ascending order. Now I'm going to apply lookup function and let's see how it behaves. Is it going to give the correct details? So let's see. Lookup. Now this is the fruit name. I'm going to select the search range and the result range. Now close the parenthesis and hit enter. So it gives you the details, but let me do some changes, because when you drag the formula it goes to other, it jumps to other rows. So I want to fix the range. Okay, now hit enter. So now first of all we will verify whether this is the correct data or not. For cherry we have 20 quantity, so it actually correct. Let me drag this formula and see how much accurate this information is. Let's see, for papaya we have 35, kiwi 18. So when your data is sorted, lookup function works well and it gives the exact details. But when you apply the same formula for unsorted version, so it gives you the incorrect details, or it randomly picks up the data, so which is incorrect. So whenever you're dealing with lookup function, make sure you're using the formatted or sorted version of the data. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.